Welcome, my name is Gordon Fitzsimmons, Senior Manager at OpenText Cloud. The goal of this presentation is to examine secure enterprise migration to the cloud. In today's virtual summit, you will have heard all about deploying enterprise DevSecOps. If an organization is evaluating moving to the cloud, new methodology or not, then it's essential that the migration is planned and executed in a secure and standardized way. That's what the next 15 minutes is all about. The SaaS enterprise market. SaaS has revolutionized business software usage with its cost effectiveness and flexibility. The market's projected growth to 232 billion by 2024 underscores its popularity. SaaS eliminates upfront costs and allows for scalable usage, making it the dominant cloud service model. However, the widespread adoption of SaaS brings security and management challenges. Identity and access governance, along with third-party application access, are key concerns. Unused shared resources and inactive integrations further amplify these risks. While SaaS offers numerous benefits, organizations must prioritize security and management. Robust access controls, careful management of third-party apps, and continuous monitoring are essential for mitigating risk and ensuring compliance. SaaS does have a promising future, but security must be a priority for organizations to fully leverage its potential. By addressing these concerns proactively, businesses can embrace a more agile, efficient, and secure future. Infrastructure assessment. Migrating to a SaaS platform can bring significant benefits to the enterprise, including reduced costs, improved scalability, and access to the latest features and innovations. Such a transition also presents considerable challenges. Let me talk through these crucial aspects of an enterprise SaaS migration. Inventory and dependency mapping provides the foundation for a successful migration. Understanding the current IT landscape is crucial before embarking on a SaaS migration journey. Inventory and dependency mapping involves identifying all existing applications, data stores, infrastructure components, and their interdependencies. This exercise serves as the foundation for a successful migration by providing a clear picture of the complexities involved. Assessing the performance and capacity requirements of existing applications is crucial for ensuring optimal performance in the cloud. This analysis involves baseline performance measurement, capacity planning, performance testing, monitoring, and optimization. Security is a top priority in any SaaS migration. A thorough security assessment helps identify and mitigate potential risks. Consider performing a vulnerability assessment, evaluate data security, and deploying an identity access management solution. Reviewing compliance requirements and conducting audits helps ensure adherence to industry regulations and data privacy laws. Data migration is a critical phase in any SaaS migration. A well-planned data migration strategy ensures data integrity, accessibility, and minimal downtime. Areas to investigate include data cleansing and preparation, data migration tools and techniques, data validation verification, and data archival and retention. Now on to integration requirements, which I see as connecting the dots. Integrating the new SaaS platform with existing systems and applications is essential for maintaining business continuity. Identifying and addressing integration requirements early in the migration process helps avoid disruptions and ensures a seamless transition. Actions here include integration inventory, building the integration architecture, API management, and testing and validation, of course. Security challenges in cloud migration. While SaaS does offer scalability and cost benefits, it introduces challenges around data security and compliance. Successful migration demands prioritizing these critical aspects, which I will talk about more in the coming slides. And proactive security and management are vital for a successful SaaS migration. Prioritizing these aspects enables organizations to leverage the benefits of SaaS while safeguarding data and ensuring compliance. I'm now going to outline each of these topics from an enterprise SaaS perspective. So, a focus on data protection strategies. Enterprise SaaS migration offers numerous benefits, but it also introduces challenges, especially when it comes to data protection. With data breaches, it becomes increasingly common around regulations and data privacy becoming more stringent. Securing sensitive information during a migration is paramount. let's look into the importance and implementation of crucial data protection strategies: encryption, data masking, data loss prevention, and backup and recovery. So, encryption, which is shielding data at rest and in transit. Encryption is the cornerstone of data protection, scrambling information so it's unreadable without the correct decryption key. In a SaaS migration, encryption protects data both when stored, at rest in the cloud, and during transmission in transit between systems. Then there's data masking, which is anonymizing sensitive data. Data masking involves replacing sensitive data with fictional yet realistic data. This technique is useful when non-production environments, such as development and testing, need to mimic production data without exposing actual sensitive information. Then there's data loss prevention, DLP. DLP tools monitor and control the movement of that sensitive data, preventing accidental or intentional data leaks. During a SaaS migration, DLP can help ensure data remains within authorized boundaries. Then there's backup and recovery, which is ensuring business continuity. Backups are essential for protecting against data loss due to accidental deletion, corruption, or ransomware attacks. In a SaaS migration, it's crucial to ensure a robust backup and recovery strategy is in place. Data protection is a critical aspect of enterprise SaaS migration. By implementing encryption, data masking, DLP, and backup and recovery strategies, an organization can safeguard sensitive information, ensure compliance with data privacy regulations, and maintain business continuity. A proactive approach to data protection involves collaboration between IT security and legal teams, and it's crucial for a successful and secure SaaS migration. Now we're going on to compliance. And migrating to a SaaS platform introduces unique considerations beyond the technical challenges. Compliance with regulatory requirements, data residency, and audit trail management play pivotal roles in ensuring a successful and secure transition. Regulatory requirements ensuring compliance. SaaS migrations necessitate meticulous adherence to industry regulations and data privacy laws. Understanding and complying with applicable regulations is crucial for avoiding legal repercussions and maintaining customer trust. Common areas of interest include identifying applicable regulations, data protection, impact assessments, contractual agreements, employee training, and regular audits. Data residency, which dictates where data is stored and processed, is increasingly important in SaaS migrations. Regulatory compliance, performance, and user experience can all be affected by data residency, such as latency. Audit trails provide a chronological record of activities within a system, offering transparency, accountability, and support for investigations. They are indispensable for monitoring data access, detecting security incidents, and demonstrating compliance. SaaS platforms should generate detailed logs capturing user activity, data access, system changes, and administrative actions. Also ask about log retention, log security, real-time monitoring, and also log analysis. And to sum this slide up, enterprise SaaS migration is not just about moving applications to the cloud. It requires careful consideration of regulatory requirements, data residency, and audit trail management. By addressing these aspects proactively, organizations can ensure a seamless and secure transition that maintains compliance, protects sensitive data, and fosters trust with customers and stakeholders. Collaboration between IT, legal, and compliance team, again, is essential to navigate the complexities of a SaaS migration and ensure a successful outcome. So, access control and its importance. Enterprise SaaS demands a robust access control strategy to safeguard sensitive data of applications in the cloud. Implementing role-based access control, multi-factor authentication, and a comprehensive identity access management framework are essential steps in achieving this goal. Role-based access control simplifies access management by assigning permissions based on user roles within the organization. During SaaS migration, it's crucial to map existing roles and permissions to the new SaaS environment, ensuring users have the necessary access to perform their tasks without over-provisioning privileges. This approach helps mitigate the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches by adhering to the principle of least privileged. Multi-factor authentication. MFA enhances security by requiring users to provide multiple verification factors, such as password and a unique code from a mobile device to access the SaaS platform. Implementing MFA adds a crucial layer of protection, making it significantly more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access, even if they possess stolen credentials. Then IAM, a comprehensive IAM framework, streamlines access management across multiple SaaS applications. During migration, integrating an existing IAM system with the new SaaS platform or implementing a new IAM solution altogether is essential. This ensures centralized control over user identities, access permissions, and authentication policies, facilitating efficient management and reducing the risk of security gaps. So, strengthening network security. Migrating to a SaaS environment requires a robust network security strategy to protect sensitive data in transit and ensure secure access to cloud resources. By implementing VPNs, organizations can create a secure network environment that protects data in transit, prevents unauthorized access, and mitigates potential security risks. Regularly reviewing and updating networking security measures is essential to stay ahead of evolving threats and ensure the continued protection of sensitive data in the cloud. Vendor management. A successful SaaS migration hinges on a strong partnership with the SaaS vendor. Implementing due diligence, establishing clear service level agreements, and conducting regular audits are vital components of effective vendor management. Thorough due diligence is crucial before selecting a SaaS vendor. This involves evaluating their security practices, financial stability, compliance certifications, and overall track record. Scrutinizing their infrastructure, data handling procedures, and disaster recovery capabilities helps ensure they meet your organization's security and operational requirements. Effective vendor management is essential for a successful SaaS migration and ongoing operational success. By conducting that due diligence, establishing those clear SLAs, and conducting regular audits, organizations can build strong partnerships with their SaaS vendors, ensuring data protection, compliance, and optimal service delivery. Over the next couple of slides, I'm going to focus on OpenText SaaS, which is one of the many cloud options available to our customers. When you consider the complexities of moving to and operating a secure cloud, as I've just talked through, then perhaps partnering with a highly experienced vendor like OpenText can reduce that cost and complexity while providing the desired security baseline. OpenText has deep relationships with several hyperscalers, including AWS, where we were recently awarded their ISV of the Year. And Vivek Kukundra's words here are also applicable to OpenText Cloud engineers. So here's some of the key highlights of the OpenText SaaS platform. We have a strong and rich heritage. We established our first SaaS application in 1999, and that means we now have some cloud engineers with over 25 years experience in the SaaS industry. We've also got thousands of customers on this platform, in fact, almost 3,000 between ADM and ITOM, including OpenText. We are in many ways the ultimate reference, and yes, we do drink our own champagne. It's also heavily standardized as well. Every customer shares the same security, service, and support baseline. And we can also offer for our larger customers dedicated options, which also helps with customizations and integrations with on-premise. And the whole service is comprehensively managed by OpenText. So you don't need to worry about security, support, core counts, storage, licensing the database, upgrades, patches, hot fixes. It's all managed by us. And of course, we have multiple landing zones available as well. We have in the US, East, West. In Europe, you can have Frankfurt, and we also have a UK landing zone as well. We have infrastructure. We have eyes on the infrastructure 24/7. We have a SOC and a NOC that can vary in location depending on the time of day. And of course, we have the security badges and credentials that you would expect. And overall, OpenText SaaS offers an easy migration path for existing ADM, ITOM, or our cybersecurity customers. And here's some of the standard controls and policies to pay attention to when you're evaluating OpenText SaaS. Key to any product is the service description And if you search Micro Focus SaaS service description and your product name, it should come straight up, and it will detail all the facts, figures, roles, responsibilities, support and service baselines for that particular product. We also globally sub-process, but we are very transparent about that, and we name all our sub-processors. We will also let you read our third-party audits, and also including SOC 2, subject to NDA. And we'll also allow customers to audit us as well, and that's subject to negotiation, and we can provide proof of pen testing as well, and how we approach third-party risk as well. And other policies available for discussion include general information security, PCP, defect management, pen testing, and so forth. And we can, of course, walk you through the overall architecture as well. And we do have SLAs, which are also dependent on the product. So lastly, here's some final considerations and key takeaways for today. Have clear goals. Define your objectives to guide the migration strategy. Do an infrastructure assessment. Evaluate your existing environment to minimize disruption. With security and compliance, safeguard your data throughout the process. With data migration, ensure data integrity and minimal downtime. Establish clear policies for security and efficiency to give you governance and access control. And with performance and scalability, design and test a solution that supports your growth. And finally, partnering for success. Open text expertise and proven methodology will guide you through a seamless transition, empowering you to achieve your business goals in the new SaaS and DevSecOps environment. Please reach out to me to start a discussion. Thank you. And now please click the join session button at the bottom of the screen to join the fireside chat.